that hot shit. Looking for a biddy on that thot shit. Y'all ain't getting money, nigga, stop this. I be round the globe talking hot shit. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it.
I'm okay with spending money and trying to move my business in the right direction and not necessarily knowing, is it gonna pan out? I mean, you're not gonna get there if you don't try things. You're not gonna get there living in fear and being afraid.
I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it. I do my own stunts, Jackie Chan with it.
One of the things that I would absolutely advise, two things, is you gotta know all elements of your business before you outsource. Because if there ever is a problem and you outsource, you may not know that there's a problem, and if there is, you don't know how to fix it. Second thing is reliability. Literally, most people are not accountable, and that's the biggest thing. Most people will say yes, but they'll do the opposite. I'd rather have somebody tell me no and prove me yes.
Bitch, we in the city on that hot shit. Looking for a biddy on that thot shit. Y'all ain't getting money, nigga, stop this.